Unboxing, unboxing, unboxing. Look at that, guys. What I have. I don't know this. What is it inside? This is from Konas, Onas, or whatever how you pronounce it. Let's open. This is a Ramadan Kareem. Surprise, surprise, mga kapatid. Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan Kareem to all my Muslim friends all over the world and their families. Oh, what is in here? Dear Malvic, thank you for shopping with Onas. We hope you enjoyed your experience. Our items are curated by a team of the global buyers and stylist with your taste and lifestyle in mind. We would love to see your new purchase. Snap and share it on the Instagram using the My Onas. Look at that, guys. And this one, I don't know what is it. Okay. Share it, share it. Look at that, mga kapatid. I don't know what is in here. It's quite big. It's quite big. What is in here? Open, open, surprise. I don't know what is in here, but just a moment. Ted Baker. Ted Baker, I know what is in here. Surprise, surprise. I got my new yellow bag. Look at that, mga kapatid. Ay! Beautiful bag. Yellow bag from Ted Baker. And this is it. This is the extras. That's the one inside. And this one is just an extra if you want a bit longer or just a small bag. Ayan po. It's beautiful. I got my yellow bag. And this one I think is okay, so this is the one you will use for cleaning up for the leather. Yellow bag, another bag, another yellow bag. And this is the strap if you want to make it a bit longer. Okay, guys, that's all for my unboxing. Yay! And here is it, mga kapatid, my new yellow handbag. Ayan po. Ay, ang ganda. It's from Ted Baker. This is my Ramadan Kareem present. Okay, guys, that's all for now for my unboxing.